我是 Vincent， 广州楼的老板 Underwood。介绍我们餐厅有主要范围是饮茶，非常有名的，所以呢菜式比较好的，有时间过来试试看啦。我哋本酒樓咧已經安裝咗太陽能，SolaX 公司咧俾個 project 我咧，非常之感謝佢，非常之滿意。之前我嘅電費咧就比較高嘅，1個月大約去到2萬蚊電費嘅，而家節省咗咧，大約只需要而家係大約係7000蚊電費到一個季度嘅，所以我哋用電量咧，主要就嚟自冰箱啦，都係10幾個嘅汽水櫃啦、魚缸啦，同埋冷氣啦，同埋照明，用電量非常之浩大。而SolaX公司咧，幫我度身訂做咗，整咗100個 kilowatt。我而家大約每日咧，大約係用30個 kilowatt。所以大約個電費咧已經節省咗70%，對我哋將來嘅公司發展咧係非常有利。同埋咧，最重要一點咧，停電你哋可以放心，佢哋嘅電池後備電源可以有半日你嘅時間。唔需要話停電而影響你嘅生意繼續營業嘅，呢個係非常重要。之前我係憂心就係呢個問題，但係SolaX公司裝完2個後備電池，加埋有100 kilowatt 嘅後盾，俾我哋做得非常之滿意。即係我哋又唔需要擔心會停電，同埋有損耗。
Hi, my name is Dan. I'm the Sales Director of Inverter Energy, and today we'll be explaining to you what we provide for our client. We have 2 30 kilowatt ultra hybrid inverters, right, with a 47.3 kilowatt battery storage backup, and obviously we have 2 systems combined and running parallel. And you know, this will help us, and plus we have a Wi-Fi dongle here that explains all the app that can tell you how much you provide, the sun and the battery provide for you, and what it can produce and be used, and how much is used. And right now, so our client has roughly a $20,000 bill every 3 months, and by providing these 2 systems here, he's actually dropped down a massive, nearly $17,000. So now he's out of pocket by $3,000. So the client's very happy with what we provided, and he's already over the moon with the system. And so this system we provided, it's a 99 kilowatt all up, 230 kilowatts. We maximize the capacity of close to 50 kilowatts each inverter with the battery. So on the roof we have 99 kilowatt of panels, and the battery size is 98.6 in total. So obviously the restaurants runs, especially cold rooms, refrigerators and all that, runs 24 hours. So we did some calculations, and we made sure we provide the client with the best results. And now he's very happy with the results. With this SolaX Ultra 30 and the stackable batteries, it's a very easy, simple installation for our team to install. Roughly turnaround times about 3 days. As you can see, all the cabling structures getting tested and anything like that. And then when we kind of jumped in a bit of problem, we called the SolaX tech support team. They gave us an answer straight away. There was no getting back to you or within 24 hours, but they replied with an answer and solution straight away. And this Ultra is very easy to use. Right, for example, I'll press that. It'll tell me the generation. Today's generation was 18.6 kilowatts already, and outside it's actually raining right now. And right now they're producing, the restaurant is using about 9,051 watts. So still got plenty of power, and the battery is 100%. So as you can see, very easy function. As you can see there, it comes right up, tells you all the basic diagnostics, and tells you what you have left to use. Right? And the good thing is with the Wi-Fi dongle, it tells you everyday usage, what's going in, what's producing, and so the customers can track their own of their own systems.